In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play Please Donate game in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to get and play Please Donate game, go ahead and log into your Roblox account. And once you're logged in, head over to this search icon. And from here, you can go ahead and search for your Please Donate game. And you can simply do this by just typing in PLS, that is please, and then donate. And now if you go ahead and search using this, you can see we have here a list of please donate games that are available. So from here, you can go ahead and tap on it. And then if you scroll up, you should be able to see all the details on this please donate game. Now to play it, go ahead and tap on play. And this will launch the game where you can start playing. So that's how you can play Please Donate games on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.